flight. So who is the certifying official? Okay, Dennis is already waving. He's ready to go. Good luck, Jacob, on your certification flight. Level 2 with the J motor. Again, good luck. Continuity is good. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push the start button.
Nice white lightning motor. And unfortunately I've lost it. Where'd it go? Anybody got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I heard an event. There it is. Okay, it looks like it is undershoot. So hopefully the wind will cooperate, Jacob. You want to keep an eye on that. And when it lands, obviously just scoop it up. Don't change anything. Don't mess with anything. Just scoop it up. Bring it back to Dennis, and he will take care of you.
Big pedal on the left.
All right. Pads are disarmed. The field is open recovery, reloading, phasing out igniters, etc., etc. And the time is 12:41.
Just push in the big pedal on the left.
Daddy!
So you always use your left foot. Never use your left foot. You're not driving.
But we did change the igniter.
Just starting.
Hey, Daddy! Is that your left foot?
We're not.